Charan! Kailangan ko nang mag-charge. As in, lobat na talaga si Inday. Okay? So, wait lang. So, yan, nagpa-update ako ng card ko sa baba. As you can see, diba? Nag-ano ko. So, update ko yung card ko para at least... Grabe guys, it's a sunny day today. So, we're going to wear our sunglasses when we go out with this. And I'm gonna wear my slipper. Charan! So, I'm gonna wear my slipper only. So, yan, alis tayo maya afternoon. And then, magagala tayo, maglalakad. Nakaganito ang itsura ko. I don't mind. Kasi, they don't care how you looks like here, no? Well. Wait lang, mag-check lang tayo ng check lang tayo ng message. Yan guys. It's a sunny day today, but very nice view I have right now. So, since naman kasi na hindi ako nagdala ng pang gym ko, sayang no. Sana nagdala pala ako ng ng outfit ko pang gym. Ayan. So, since hindi pa naman tayo lalabas, kasi mga afternoon pa ako lalabas guys. So, ganito muna tayo. Aura muna tayo dito for a while. Naka-charge yung phone ko, so this is the view that you will have since naka-charge yung phone ko. So, ayan siya guys. Okay. So, ayan guys. Gusto ko magpa-araw. Hindi ako pwedeng umalis ngayon kasi may gagawin ako. Around afternoon, then I can go out. So, ayan siya. Ayan. So, gusto kong magpa-araw, guys. So, since gusto kong magpa-araw, dito na lang ako sa gilid ng bintana. Ayan. Pero mamaya lalabas tayo. Okay. Lalabas tayo mamaya, guys. So, maganda yung maganda yung view ko dito. Hi to the people of the Philippines, to all of my friends and relatives.